Nag-team up ang girls para talunin ako sa debate. Nanalo sila sa kanilang scoreboard. Official results, confidential pa rin hanggang ngayon. 2 years later, hindi man pareho ang campus. Pero pareho pa rin ang tawanan, kulitan at samahan. Santa Catalina College, hindi lang school at dearest alma mater, ito ang home ng kabataan natin.
Before I officially close, I just want to say thank you, from the bottom of my heart, sa inyong lahat, my dear classmates. Everything I shared tonight, the funny stories, kalokohan, kulitan, even the slightly embarrassing memories, were never meant to hurt anyone. It was all for fun, for us to reminisce, and relive the beautiful chaos of our youth. Because honestly, even the bad memories became good ones, kasi kasama ko kayo doon. After 50 years, I can proudly say, mahal ko pa rin kayong lahat, walang kupas, walang expiration. And if you'd like to support your classmate na hanggang ngayon ay nangangarap pa rin at nagsha-share ng learnings, I invite you to check out my books on Amazon about security, life strategies, and personal growth. Just scan the QR code on screen or search my name because who knows? Baka yung binabasa nyo na libro ko, may sequel na Mga Kalokohan Natin sa Santa Volume 2. Thank you batchmates, love you all, and mabuhay ang pagkakaibigan nating 50 years strong.